and in the second wave now, which is of only 2.5 months, it is 1.54 lakhs cases are reported, sir. Death during the first phase was, sir, 1143, and in this second phase it is almost 1420, sir. In first phase, case fatality rate was, sir, 1.5, and in this second wave it is 0.9, sir. I think it is due to our government of Maharashtra. Honorable Chief Minister has launched a program, My Family, My Responsibility, माझे कुटुंब माझी जबाबदारी. So in that माझे कुटुंब माझी जबाबदारी, sir, all those households are surveyed, and almost in that 30% comorbid patients are tackled, and they were treated accordingly. That's why, sir, this CFR rate is reduced, sir. In our district, sir, in testing, sir, in the first phase in the first wave it was almost 4 lakhs, and in this second wave, sir, 5 lakh testing has been done. Sir, rampant testing has been done, and now since we have declared lockdown, those who are loitering on the streets, along with the police, we are taking their rat test. That's why they are not coming on the road now, sir. Another thing in the district, what we followed, that no home isolation. So no home isolation. We have created almost 20,000 beds in the COVID care center in the all rural areas. Both government as well as private charity people and NGOs, they have also started the COVID care centers, wherein all those are accommodated. So generally in this wave, it is noticed that, sir, people don't prefer go to CCC. They want home isolation. But we thought, because they wanted that tiffin service should be given to their patient, so we had tiffin drop service has been introduced at all CCCs, sir. Another thing, sir, regarding we had sensitized 1300 village panchayats. There is one village, it is a model village, Adarsh Gaon, and Padma Shri awardee Mr. Popatrao Pawar, he has made his village corona-free village. So we had taken his ideas, and he, along with us, he has also addressed all the panchayats. In this, he has done 4 teams were constituted during in the village, and from that he is to identify, he is to survey, and those with the milder symptoms, they were treated at the earliest stage. So all those things, and one thing is that since this being the rural district, sir, all those patients or those symptomatic patients, they were reluctant to go to CCC. The problem is that they were unable to do their farm work or their milking. So we had in the villages, they formed the volunteers. On behalf of them, they were milking the cows or buffaloes, and they were sent to the dairies. So this was the main factor that people are not coming to the COVID care center. So this has been tackled, and this village has been made corona-free, sir. And others have also replicating the same in the district, sir. Another thing, sir, I must place on record our Honorable Chief Minister, Honorable Chief Secretary, they had made an oxygen team, nodal officers. So in spite of all those cases, we were not shortage of any oxygen in the district, sir. Also, we had seen that in the district, there are only 3 refilling stations. So we deployed our manpower there, because there may be more than 200 hospitals, but refilling stations for the oxygens are only 3. So they were overcrowded. So we regulated that oxygen, and there was not at all any mishap in the district or even in the state, sir. Another thing is that our Honorable Chief Minister has a task force, and who is to guide us regarding the medicines, all those injections and all. Honorable Chief Minister has also addressed to all the physicians and doctors that how to use this and what are the medicines to be given to the patient. So this has also helped us like anything, sir. And also, sir, we have created the infrastructure, and we are very much ready, sir, for the third wave. Honorable Chief Secretary and Honorable Chief Minister has directed us to set up the PSA oxygen generation plants. So in the next wave, we are ready with almost 17 metric ton of the PSA plants, sir. Another thing, we have purchased almost 3,000 oxygen concentrated. So we are in readiness with all those things. With your guidance, with Honorable Chief Minister guidance, will definitely tackle this pandemic, sir.